In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use CNFans to buy high quality reps from China in 2025. Whether it's sneakers, clothing, or accessories, this guy will walk you through it step by step. First, open your browser and go to CNFans website. If you don't know the exact link, search CNFans rep, but be careful with fake lookalikes. Bookmark the real site once you're in. Now browse through categories like sneaker, design, clothing, and accessories, or use the search bar if you're looking for something specific like Jordan 4 reps or Dior hoodie. When you find an item you like, check the seller's look for reviews, ratings, and recent activity. Most good sellers will post QC photos, shipping times, and contact info like WeChat or WhatsApp. Message the seller to confirm stock, size, price, and shipping. Ask for QC pics if you want to double check quality before paying. Most sellers accept crypto, Wise, or payment methods. Once payment is confirmed, they'll send you shipping updates and tracking info. Shipping can take 1 to 3 weeks depending on your location, and that's how you use CNFans. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and like for more rep guides.